Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my remote control barrier gate using a servo motor. This is the servo motor. This is the breadboard along with jumper wires and the IR receiver. And this is the remote control. So now if I press the up button on this remote control, it's gonna stay up because it's already up. Now if I press the down button, it moves down and acts like a barrier gate. I have to wait 2 seconds to press the up button, and it's not blocking anything now. The breadboard has the IR receiver with the jumper wires connecting it to the negative positive lines to give it power from the nano. The IR receiver is connected to digital pin 2, and the servo motor is connected to digital pin number 3. The servo motor also is connected to the negative and positive lines for power. Now let's see the coding part. This is the coding part using WinBlock. I connected the Arduino Nano using a USB cable. I use the extension remote module. You can add it by clicking on the plus sign. It's already loaded. I initialize the pins. This is the IR receiver pin, which is on digital pin number 2, and this is the servo motor pin, which is on digital pin number 3. Now we use a forever loop, so you can use it for how much you like, however you like. If sensor is connected, only if the sensor is connected, this will happen, otherwise it won't happen. The IR sensor. If up is pressed on the remote control, the servo pin would stay at this angle. You can set the angle, and then it will wait for 2 seconds before you can press another button. If down is pressed, it will change it to 90°. And the same. IR resume makes sure you can use it more than once. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe.